Accept. I accept your gift. I accepted your gift. Add. She adds sugar to her tea. She added sugar to her tea. Admire. They admire the painting. They admired the painting. Admit. He admits his mistake. He admitted his mistake. Advise. We advise you to rest. We advised you to rest. Agree. I agree with you. I agreed with you. Allow. They allow pets here. They allowed pets here. Announce. He announces the winner. He announced the winner. Answer. She answers the phone. She answered the phone. Appear. The sun appears in the morning. The sun appeared in the morning. Apply. He applies for the job. He applied for the job. Argue. They argue about the game. They argued about the game. Arrange. We arranged the books. We arranged the books. Arrive. The train arrives on time. The train arrived on time. Ask. She asks a question. She asked a question. Attach. He attaches the file. He attached the file. Attack. The dog attacks the cat. The dog attacked the cat. Attend. We attend the meeting. We attended the meeting. Avoid. She avoids junk food. She avoided junk food.